do a new daily for the Rust execution team. There's a few of us missing. They might be joining in the middle of the call, or maybe not. But yeah, let's get this started anyway. Yeah, Esteban, do you want to kick this off?
Yeah, sure. How are you? I'm in the middle of the RLPX protocol listen loop implementation, and I'm having a lot of issues regarding how to test this. Sorry about the noise. In the past, I had no problem testing this because I was hard coding the IP of the node I was pinging, and then I could manage both ends, the sending and the receiving, and I could see what messages were received on the other end. But now that I implemented a generic protocol, which is it uses the discovery protocol to start pinging the in RLPX protocol the rest of the nodes. I'm not sure why the local node I'm having is not being discovered by the other by my the Ethereum Rust client. So I'm not being able to do the communication between the both of them, and I'm not being able to testing it. So I'm trying with the dev P2P tool to see if I can work with that, and I'm going through that one. And the other option I have is to use kurtosis, but it's a bit more difficult because I like to put some log lines in the get part of the communication, and with kurtosis it's a bit more difficult. So I'm dealing with some configuration issues and stuff like that. The regarding the implementation is quite uh, rough right now. I'm not sure if it's working because I cannot test it, but I'm trying to work my way.
Okay.
That's it. I was having some issues regarding Tokyo yesterday. I thought I will have to ask the team, but I finally could solve it. So I made some progress, but now I'm again at some point where I might or might not ask the team about some stuff I'm not being able to configure.
All right. Great. Is there anything we can help you with, or it's just
Yeah, I was thinking about that earlier, and I'm not sure because it's so messy, everything, and the protocol and the difference between the two protocols, because it's working on discovery on this before, and at some moment it transferred to the RLPX protocol, so it's too difficult to explain to somebody else how to start looking at my code. But if I cannot make any progress today, maybe I will ask some help, maybe from you or from the other guys that worked in this, which is Mega and Marcos. They know some part of it.
okay. Yeah,
Thank you.
sounds good. Cool. All right. Well, let's continue with Fran.
Yes. Yesterday, while I was checking some open PRs, I've noticed that Perito left one unfinished with some comments. I took the job to finish it, and it's ready for review. It was mostly about certain. We were when defaulting to the libmdbx database, we had some issues while inserting blocks. It solved itself, merging main. The hive test passed, the other tests passed while using it as the default DB. I also added a makefile target to clean the DB, and the PR is ready for review whenever you guys can look into it. And I was thinking now about starting with the new filter RPC endpoints, or maybe to check the graceful shutdown. But I think I will start with the new filter endpoint.
Oh, all right. Yeah, cool. Yeah, it's a good one. I think it's also useful for rollups, and now we are prioritizing, being able to be feature complete. So yeah, it will be great. Cool, thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna look at your PRs after this call. Sorry, I've been very busy with a lot of meetings today, and also yesterday was holiday here. So yeah, also by the way, that's my update. Yeah, lots of meetings. But yeah, Tom Mass is here with us, so let's finish it with you.
Hey, sorry for entering late. I was too with a lot of other meetings. So very atypical day today. I'm having a lot of plumbing work at home, so I was making a little bit slower progress. But I think the last update that I gave that I was testing my new PR, the one about one block reorgs on Hive, and I had some issues. The connectivity issues are resolved. I am now being able to run Hive correctly. I learned how to debug the Hive errors when something was working wrong. I have now isolated the issue. I have 5 tests that are failing, and I am now debugging some of them related to fee history. I fully expect to have all of that debugged and corrected today. But if I get blocked with anything, I will ask for help. But for now, everything is working fine. It was just a very atypical day today.
Okay, thank you. All right, that's it, folks. Well, Federica was not able to join us, but she is working on the integration with the engine API, specifically payload building. So that's exciting. With that, we'll be able to produce blocks. So cool. That's all I have. Yeah, have a nice Wednesday, everybody. See ya.
Thank you. Bye.